Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I'd make a really pretty moon pendant, and you'll need UV resin, you'll need mixing bowl, mixing utensil, some holographic glitter, your resin tape. I have these holographic stars, and I also have some of these flat back rhinestones. And this is the bezel I'm using. And as you can see, the bail of the bezel, where you put the chain, is larger than the bezel. So it's going, when you lay it down, it kind of angles it. So I have this other mat, and it's a little bit thicker. So I'm just going to basically hang that bail over the side because I don't want it to angle up, and then I'll have seepage of my UV resin underneath. So all I need is a small piece of resin tape. I'm just going to notch that for the next time I use it. And then I'm just going to take this and place the moon on there. I'm kind of avoiding the bail. I want to make sure that the tape is only on the bezel. Okay, then I'm just going to put that off to the side so it hangs down a little bit so it keeps it level. And then next, I don't need a lot, just a little. I'm just going to mix up some of the holographic glitter. Just a little, you don't need a lot. And then I'm going to use some of these holographic stars. If I can figure out how this opens up. Oh boy. I'm just going to use a little bit of those. Oops. Maybe got too many in there, I don't know. I'm just going to mix all that up. And then I'm just going to pour it into the mold. Nice and easy. Move the stars around a bit. Make sure it gets all into the corners. And I mixed up just enough. There's a couple stars there that are wanting to poke up there. Now, if you want to put these in, I'm not sure if I really want to or not. Kind of liking the way it looks now. I was thinking of just kind of putting a couple in just as an added glitter. I think they would work. I do like the way it looks now. Just getting some tweezers. I can just put one in and see. And I'm just going to push it down in there. Actually, that one just kind of covered up. It's just giving it like kind of an extra glitter. I think it's fine just the way it is. I put a few in there. I don't even know if you can see them. But, let's see. I'm going to wipe everything down because I've got a little bit of a mess. And then move everything to the side. That way I can cure this, and I'm going to cure this for about 180 seconds and then turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds so it cures all the way through and around all those little bits. Alright, so it's cured on both sides, and I'm just going to remove the tape now. Just making sure there's no tape left on there. And that's the front, and that's the back. And here's the chain I'm using. It's an 18-inch chain. I had to take off the 6mm jump ring just so that I could get this through. I can't get it through the hole again. Oh, there we go. Okay, make sure those ends meet, especially with this chain, it's so dainty. And here's the pendant. I also made another one. This one has the stars and the holographic glitter. This one actually has hints of the metallic mica powder running through here. This one has a little bit more on this side than on this side. And then I put the glitter in there. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to all the supplies I used today, and you'll also find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.